Problem 8 from topic 3 is reminiscent of the problem number 10 that you did in topics 1. You're looking to standardize a value with the a plus bx, which is basically your equation of a straight line, b being the rate of change. So to find the rate of change, we assume we have a particular population with mu of 552 with a standard deviation of 105. We want to convert this to a standard value so that we can compare populations with different means. Now what we need to do is to find A and B. You must first find B. B will be the standard deviation of the new rate over the standard deviation of the old. So in this case, it's going to be 100 divided by 105. Now be very careful with this, please, because when you're doing conversions, okay, and you're looking at things like this, let's take a look here. If I take 100, I'm going to move this up a second, 100, turn this on. If I take 100 and I divide this by 105, I come up with that value, okay? Now, what I want to call your attention to is if you round this at this point to 0.95, you're probably going to get the wrong answer. The question, if it asks for B, is 0.95 because they tell you to round it to 2 places. But if you use that 2-place rounding value for the next step, you may very well get the wrong answer because of a rounding error. So in order to do that last part, okay, once you get B, what I want you to do is to use a value that is more like 0.952381 in your calculator, or just leave your calculator as it is and keep that number to work with. A on this hand then is going to be the 500, which is the new value that we want, minus the rate of change, which is B, which is 0.952381, whatever the rest of it is, times the old mu, which is 552. Again, if you round this number and you end up getting an answer for A, which is different than the correct answer, that's why you're getting the incorrect answer. If you round it, if you use a rounded 0.95 for this particular example that I'm giving you, you're going to get a negative 24.4 for your answer. That's wrong. But if you leave it as 0.952381 and you don't change your calculator, your answer is going to come out to negative 25.71. So be very careful of your use of calculators. Statistics rules say you always round on the last step only. So if you're using a calculator or Excel, don't round anything. Let it use the full amount, the full values, and then, because that's how the background between the stat packages that test you do. They do not round until the very last step. Okay? Thank you.